Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain and web hosting from Wix. This is an essential step if you want to take your website live and make it accessible to visitors around the world. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, turn your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you to the area where you can manage all your website properties. Now you'll see a list of all the websites you currently have on your Wix account. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific website you want to buy a domain and web hosting for. This is important because you need to make sure you're connecting the domain to the right site. Once you've found your website, look directly under its name. You'll notice a link that says Connect Domain. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the domain settings page. This is where the magic happens and where you'll start setting up your custom domain. On the domain settings page, you'll see a field where you can type in your desired website name. Go ahead and enter the domain name you have in mind and then click on Let's Go. Wix will check if that domain is available. You might see a message saying the domain is not available, but don't worry. Wix will provide you with suggestions below, so you can either tweak your website name slightly or choose a different domain extension like .net or .org. Once you've decided on a name for your website along with its domain extension, click on Get It. This confirms your choice and moves you forward in the purchasing process. At this point, you'll be presented with two options. You can either buy the domain only or buy the domain and get a premium plan. Here's an important detail to note. The premium plan comes with a free hosting feature built right into it, so if you're looking to buy both a domain and hosting together, the recommended plan makes a lot of sense. Once you've made your decision, click on Continue. Next, you'll be shown 4 different plans, each with its own set of features. Take your time to review them and consider your project's budget and requirements. Choose the plan that suits you best. After selecting your plan, all that's left to do is enter your personal details and payment information. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate, and then finalize your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a domain and hosting under Wix. Your website is now one step closer to going live. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.